Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle in this summer additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 14th, 2022. And I've already solved three puzzles. The letter Sudoku, I hate those letter Sudokus with more than the same letter. Yeah, here we have 4 E's and 2 R's. So there are more solutions. So anyway, 2 stars I've solved and the 3 stars Sudoku I've solved. Now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, in Dutch they call it cijferblok. Yes, cijferblok. And this will be number 4853. Alright, 4853. And yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 13 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Dual boxes, I see here dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 here, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also a dual box. I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Here another dual box, the 1 and 2, do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes, then here we have a triple box, contains the 1, the 2, then 3. Could be everywhere, the numbers, but when you see a triple box, remember the inside box. This is the inside box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Triple box, more triple boxes, no quadra boxes. Then let me scan. Quadra boxes. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here this shape. When you see this kind of shape, oh, wait a minute, the 4 stars Sudoku or puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Well, 30 minutes, we will see, but with 13 digits, I think I'm faster than the 30 minutes. Alright, next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. We have here this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Alright, so this box has the same name as that box. Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? This upside down, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here. So it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be also 2. A 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. Okay. Only one. Yeah, only one of this kind of shape. And those are the shapes, yeah. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3. There are more. 6, I believe. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then it's easy. The following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. these 3 boxes. Surround the 1, can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1, should be here. This box can be a 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes in this area. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3. And the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5, should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Wow. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 here and a double 2 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. In this triple box, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that I cannot place the 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 2, and that box should be a 1. These 2 boxes, here we have a 4 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2, oh wait. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I marked those 2 boxes with the 1 earlier. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Same for here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3 in this triple box. Here also 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Oh, we have a 3 here. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be 3. 4 and a 5. We have a 5. 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then. Yeah. Let me see. 1, 2, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 5, can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. We see another 5 there, so here can't be a 5 anymore. 5 supposed to be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. All right. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Then. How about... this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1... Oh, and this box can be a 1. So here can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. This box is connected with that box. So also 3 and a 4. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm missing the 2 here in this area. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4 as a pair. Okay, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes together with the 1 with as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. This box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 2. In 14 minutes, I've solved this 4 stars Tectonic. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic. Playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the samurai, aka a quintuplet. Puzzles or Sudokus I have. A playlist for those puzzles or Sudokus. In my channel, just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Yes, last day of the week. Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.